Hello everyone. We would like to present our work entitled Rapid Test for Surveillance and Diagnosis of Drug-Sensitive and Drug-Resistant TB. Being a student of Sion Hospital with its near adjacence to the Dharavi, it was hard to not miss the long queues outside the pulmonary medicine OPD. The prevalence was clearly evident in the wards. What was striking was the crowd outside the microbiology lab to get their tests done. The final blow came when my batchmate got infected. This platform gave me an opportunity to work with my team on this very problem. So, what is the real problem? Globally, 11.1 million cases were reported in 2020. India alone accounted for 26% of the total load at 2.4 million. Maharashtra accounted for 2.4 lakh cases. Approximately 3% of the total reported cases were multi-drug resistant. While the caseload is so high, the diagnosis solely lags behind due to limitations in the conventional methods. For example, sputum microscopy has low sensitivity, sputum culture takes 6 to 8 weeks, and gene expert solutions are expensive. Our primary goal was thus to optimize the time taken to test TB cases to allow for mass testing and accessibility of the diagnostic tools. Inspired by the idea of pregnancy kit, we propose ICT, which is immunochromatography testing, as a tool for surveillance and replacement of sputum microscopy. Thought behind ICT was the presence of biomarkers found in the literary research done by our team. The principle used in diagnostic test was compared with Sandwich ELISA, which uses biomarkers detection and imparts color to the strip. This screening tool can be used to detect TB in urine, blood, and sputum. It is rapid, has high usability, is affordable, and is in alignment with the end TB strategy set by the WHO. Now, to tackle the problem of drug-resistant cases, we propose rapid CRISPR-based test. As you can see on the slide, we have used Cas such as Cas12a, Cas14, and Cas1. This is an accurate point-of-care test for diagnosis of drug resistance in patients. It is rapid, efficient, as well as cost-effective. As the desirability and feasibility is ensured, here we propose a viable business model to prove our competitive advantage over existing diagnostic methods. Here's the comparison chart of the existing techniques along with ICT and rapid CRISPR proposed by us. Both surveillance and drug-resistant TB diagnosis not only takes lesser time compared to gene expert method, but are also much cost-effective. This is the market size based on our literature survey. Huge target customers can clearly be seen. Milestones to achieve start with prototype development and testing, followed by getting approvals from DCGI for CDSCO test license. Upon successful validation as National TB Reference Laboratory, we need to get license for manufacturing from DCGI for further commercialization. Here's our team. Thank you.